Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain you how to store NumPy data permanently on the disk. As a part of programming requirements, sometimes we require to store data permanently for future purposes. Files are a very common permanent storage area to store our data. Different types of files: binary files, text files. So binary files used to store binary data like images, video files, audio files, etc. Text files used to store character data like xyz.txt, xyz.csv. Now, to store and retrieval of NumPy array in binary file format, we have to use save and load functions. It stores with extension npy. Here you can see I have imported NumPy as np, and here I have created 1D array. So here I have used 1D array. Also you can use multi-dimensional array. So now here you can see np.save. Here we have to give some file name, and here I have passed the array name a. That will save our data in the binary file format on the disk. Now to retrieve this data back, we have to use load function np.load, but please remember here we have to give the extension npy. So outfile.npy. Again it will display the content of this file. Now to store and retrieval of NumPy array in text file format is done with the save text and load text functions. Here you can see np.saveText, out.txt. Here we have to pass the array name that will store the data on the disk as a text file format with name out.txt. Now to load the data back from the disk, here we have to use np.loadText with the same file name out.txt. It will display the data in the NumPy array format. Now if we want to store our data in CSV format, same functions, but here we have to pass one extra parameter, delimiter is equal to comma. So now here you can see np.saveText, file name outfile.csv. Here we have to pass array name, but here we have to pass delimiter is equal to comma. And again we can load the data back from the disk using np.load. So again it will load the data back from the disk. Now let I show you this practically in the Jupyter Notebook. Now here you can see I have imported NumPy as np. Let me first store NumPy array into binary file. So now let me first create 1D array. So with using np.array with elements 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now np.save with file name, any file name that you can give, and pass the array name. Now to retrieve this data back from the disk, we have to write np. So let me first initialize the variable np.load, then file name outfile. Now please remember here we have to give the extension npy. Now to print the data you can see. Now let me check the type of this X. Now you can see our data loaded back into the ND array. Now let me store NumPy array into text file. So now let I copy and paste same array np.save text with any file name like outfile.txt and array name. Our data has stored on the disk. Now to retrieve this data back, let me initialize the variable np.load txt, then file name outfile.txt. Now let me print our data. Now you can see the type of, so our data displayed back into the ND array format. Now let me store ND array into CSV file. So here is our array. So again we have to use np.save text, then file name like outfile.csv, then array name arr. Now here we have to pass delimiter is equal to comma. So it will store our ND array into CSV format. Now to retrieve this data back, we have to write np.load text with the file name outfile.csv. Now you can see over here our data is loaded back into ND array format. So now here We have discussed store ND array into binary file, into text file, and into CSV file. Thank you. Thank you for watching.